Yeah, bite that fan. What are you doing, Kitty? That's gonna hurt. Yeah, it's gonna hurt. You're licking your paw, but you just keep on decking it. You gonna hurt it, honey? Are you okay?
She's gonna do it again.
Oh, hurt her paw. You gonna do that again, huh? You gonna attack the fan again, huh? Get it. She's biting it. Why are you biting it?
She wants to see what it tastes like.
Kitty. There she goes. She's gonna bite it again.
I think she wants it closer, Dad.
She put the blade. Ow! Oh, honey. You okay? Why do you keep putting your paw in there?
She's stupid.
Hey, not the brightest kitten, are you? Are you gonna give up yet? Okay, she's done. Or maybe not. Going at a different direction, huh? Oh! What are you doing, psycho?